cereal face. Say hooray! Sienna tries cereal. Yay! Come on. You're so happy to try it, right? Hooray! Come on, we'll try one more time. Hooray! Oh, what is that face? But you like it, right? You like it, right? You like it, right? Yeah, it's good. It's good. Say hooray. Want to try some more? Come on. Zoop. Yummy. Sienna tries cereal.